Publishers can now traffic Anchor ads on mobile web through Google Ad Manager. The anchor, which is also known as a sticky ad, is an ad unit that stays in a fixed position on a web page regardless of users scrolling up or down. Because of this, anchor ads usually exhibit better performance when compared to other display ad formats, as it results to better viewability and engagement. There are currently two types of anchor ads that you can serve via Ad Manager: the bottom anchor and the top anchor. When choosing to serve a bottom anchor ad unit, the ad will display at the bottom of the mobile device screen as soon as the page loads and the ad is fetched. On the other hand, a top anchor serves on the top section of the mobile screen and is not immediately visible. It will only start showing once the user starts scrolling down the page. Because of this behavior, top anchor ads perform better in terms of user experience according to the better ad standards versus the bottom anchor. It ensures that the content at the top of the page aren't covered when the page loads. You can start by creating a new ad unit, or if you prefer, use an existing ad unit in Ad Manager. To streamline trafficking, include the size 320 by 50. If running ad exchange on dynamic allocation, include the relevant ad unit in the inventory targeting. Google advises to also set up the appropriate device targeting, which are smartphone, feature phone, and tablet if applicable to your ad layout. This is to avoid unintended delivery of the anchor ad if support for desktop anchor ads become available in the future. When it comes to tagging, the most important step is to add the top_anchor or bottom_anchor slot type, depending on which one you'll be using, between the opening head and closing head elements of your website. Next, you will need to display the ad slot just like you would for any other ad unit. If using WordPress, you can use plugins like Ad Inserter or Advanced Ads to set up these tags. In the description box below, you'll find a sample of the code based off the recommended settings by Google. In Ad Inserter, go to Settings. Under the Header tab, you can deploy your header script and make sure that it's activated. You can then deploy the ad slot as a body tag in one of the blocks. If testing the Anchor implementation on a desktop device, you can use the Chrome DevTools device mode and simulate a mobile device to check if the implementation is correct and if the Anchor ad is serving. Back in GAM, run a report and use the inventory format dimension to see how the Anchor is performing against other ad formats.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.